everyone. Myself Dr. Nilima Pawar. I am the diabetologist and practicing physician in Seawood and Ulve, Navi Mumbai. Today we are going to discuss lifestyle modification in controlling diabetes. So diabetes is a lifestyle disease affecting many people at any age. So to control diabetes is very important to prevent complications because of diabetes, which is one of the leading cause of death because of acute myocardial infarction, brain stroke, kidney failure and severe infections. So diabetes control is very important if we want to remain healthy. So how to control this diabetes? By doing lifestyle modification. So the number one point is to do regular physical activity. So at least 150 minutes of regular exercise in a week is important if you really want to control the diabetes. So regular exercise will help you to maintain your weight. This will help you to reduce the fat level in the body, that reduces the insulin resistance, and insulin resistance is one of the most common cause of diabetes. So as the insulin resistance reduces, that will help us to control the blood sugar level. Second tip is a balanced diet. So balanced diabetic diet means what? The diet should be minimal in carbohydrate, more in protein and with low fat and high fiber. Means the carbohydrate such as rice, then wheat should be less, potato, sweet potato. This kind of food should be less in your diet. Proteins like sprouts, pulses, lots of vegetables and salads should be more in your diet. Along with that, the fruits which are having a more sugar like mango, custard apple, banana, grapes. This kind of fruit should be avoided by the diabetic patient. Then all refined flour products, all the bakery products like cake, pastries, bread. So these are all heavy in carbohydrate. So this kind of food should be avoided by the diabetes patient. Then third point is to reduce the stress. As the stress level increases, the increased level of cortisol hormone in the body, and that leads to increased blood sugar level. So reduce the stress, you must do yoga, meditation, so that will help you to reduce stress. Then fourth most important point is do regular checkups. Do regular checkup of blood sugar level, then HbA1c level, see how is your kidney function, how is your urine routine. So this in a year. So this will help us to find the complications because of diabetes very early so that we can treat the complications properly. And do visit your doctor regularly with the blood test, so that will help you to control the diabetes in proper way. Thank you.